Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain you about making compost bin on your own for aerobic composting method. I bought this paint bucket, it's of 25 liters from a hardware shop for 100 rupees with its lid, making holes at the bottom to collect compost tea. If you want you can fix a tap at the bottom to collect compost tea. In aerobic composting method, air is a very important component, so I am making holes around the bucket. So now the compost bin is ready. No need to make holes on the lid. Okay, it's now ready to use. Now let's see what can be added to the compost bin. Added a layer of paper, carbon is an important component for making compost. So I am adding dry leaves, which is a very good source of carbon. Adding vegetable and fruit peels like watermelon, ginger, garlic, onion peels. The waste matters has to be turned once in 2 days for better aeration. And adding a layer of dry leaves. Adding little garden soil and vermicompost. The microbes in this will also help for fast composting. Added paper cuttings. This is also a very good source of carbon. I have added cuttings of aloe vera leaves. This has a lot of water content and nutrients in it. If you have WDC solution, you can sprinkle once in a while and keep it moistured for fast composting. Okay, now the compost bin is full I will keep it for some time and keep rotating the waste matters. We'll keep you updated once the compost is ready. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel for more videos.